Medical emergencies come unannounced. With the right insurance plan, you can ensure you're always prepared. Today, we will be exploring the health insurance policy plans of India's top 3 health insurance brands to help you make informed decisions for a secure future. Let's explore the comparison. HDFC Ergo, ICICI Lombard, Niva Bupa. Let's discuss the financial features. Here are a few key insights. The HDFC Ergo plan provides the highest initial coverage but at a higher premium. The Niva Bupa plan offers the most cost-effective option. The Niva Bupa plan offers the most flexibility in family member addition, making it an ideal policy for newlyweds. The Niva Bupa plan offers the highest long-term benefit, especially for claim-free years. The ICICI Lombard plan and the Niva Bupa plan both provide renewal discounts, making them more cost-effective over time. The ICICI Lombard plan and the Niva Bupa plan both offer superior restoration benefits compared to HDFC Ergo. HDFC Ergo and ICICI Lombard both plans provide 100% coverage across all claims, while Niva Bupa plan limits claims outside its network. Final takeaway based on the financial features. Best for high coverage, HDFC Ergo, rupees 10 lakh coverage right from day one. Best for affordability and flexibility, Niva Bupa. Lowest premium, best renewal bonus and allows spouse addition. Best for frequent claims and restoration, ICICI Lombard. Offers unlimited restoration with a 45-day cool-off period. Now, let's discuss the eligibility. Here are a few key insights. The HDFC Ergo, ICICI Lombard and Niva Bupa all cover existing illnesses after 3 years, have a 30-day initial waiting period and include a 24-month waiting period for specific illnesses. Choosing a plan should be based on coverage, cost and additional benefits rather than waiting time constraints. Let's discuss the claims and network support. Here are a few key insights. The ICICI Lombard and the Niva Bupa plan both offer higher claim settlement rate rather than HDFC Ergo. The HDFC Ergo plan offers the widest cashless hospital network, making it more accessible for treatment in India. Only the Niva Bupa plan offers a worldwide coverage, making it ideal for frequent travelers. Let's discuss the treatment benefits. Here are a few key insights. The ICICI Lombard plan provides the longest pre-hospitalization coverage, beneficial for extended medical care before admission. There is no major differences in the hospitalization at home and ambulance charges, benefits across both plans. For daycare treatments, HDFC Ergo and ICICI Lombard plan ensures complete coverage for short-term treatments that don't require a 24-hour hospitalization. The HDFC Ergo and Niva Bupa plan both offer more freedom in room selection, which can be beneficial for premium hospital stays. The Niva Bupa plan provides a higher daily cash benefit as an optional add-on. All 3 plans cover 180 days of post-hospitalization expenses. Final takeaway based on the treatment benefits, the HDFC Ergo plan appeals to individuals looking for flexibility in hospital stays and additional cash allowances. The ICICI Lombard plan offers the longest pre-hospitalization coverage, 90 days. However, its single private AC room limit may restrict room flexibility. The Niva Bupa plan is ideal for cost-conscious individuals who want solid coverage with added daily cash and maternity benefits. Let's discuss the special benefits and coverage. Here are a few key insights. The HDFC Ergo plan is the best option for individuals seeking organ donor cover and Ayush treatment. The ICICI Lombard plan is best option for individuals seeking organ donor cover, Ayush treatment and who are planning for maternity coverage. The Niva Bupa plan is the best option for individuals seeking organ donor cover, Ayush treatment and for new parents expecting a baby, offering newborn baby coverage right from day 1. Let's discuss the wellness and preventive care. Here are a few key insights. The HDFC Ergo plan is ideal for those who want regular health checkups and e-consultation for illnesses. The ICICI Lombard plan provides flexibility with optional health checkups but does not offer e-consultation. The Niva Bupa plan is suitable for those seeking a monetary wellness benefit and e-consultation coverage. Using a suitable health insurance plan can make all the difference in securing your future medical needs. Speak with our expert insurance advisors today. Simply Insure, because life should be simple.